Hello, everyone. My name is Nuha Al-Hafez. I'm the head of Connected Health with Merck Healthcare in Darmstadt, Germany. And I'm the co-chair of special interest group called Holistic Control Strategy with ISPE Pharma 4.0. I'm so happy that I will be attending the upcoming conference with ISPE Singapore in August 2021. The theme of this conference, From Factory to Frontline, really got my attention. It's a truly valuable conference to participate in. To me, this conference will highlight the industry best practices throughout the life cycle of pharmaceutical manufacturing, from facility design to finished product. I'm so thrilled that I will be speaking to all of you in this conference about how holistic control strategy can be a bridge from the established ICH quality guidelines to the Pharma 4.0 operating model. I'm so looking forward to hear about the great topics from our industry leaders, and I'm looking forward to see all of you there.